to show you the 2018 NV. You're a lot more than what it says on your calling card, and you need your vehicle to be more than a van. You demand innovation and versatility. You need it to be your mobile office, your workshop, and your billboard on wheels. The Nissan NV is for you and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, CD player, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.